In jasmine plant winter care, we requires a few things online. And in this video, we will uncover these tips and tricks in details. So let's know about jasmine plant winter care. Jasmine plant is a summer season, fragrant, flowering plant, that grow white-colored beautiful flowers. Basically, jasmine grow very well in the whole summer season, starting from February month up to late October days. But, as the winter season starts, the plant slow down its growth. In the December, jasmine plant completely stops its growth. It grow back as the temperature starts to rise again in early spring days. In the winter days, caring in the summer's way will cause many harmful problems, and sometimes the plant also goes in a very bad condition as well. Therefore jasmine plant winter care is very important, so the plant can grow back as the winter ends. There are a few important points you have to consider for growing jasmine plant in winter days, so let's know about them. As we know, winter season is the off-season of the jasmine plant. Therefore it would not requires much moisture to grow. But if you keeps on adding the water in the soil, the chance of root stress and water blockage will definitely rises. So the best way to water jasmine plant in winter days is to wait for the soil mix to dry out, then you can add water. Try to add only a small amount of water in the soil mix, just to make it a little moist. Watering depends very much on your soil mix, therefore if it is not draining out water properly, you can't able to make a good balance of moisture in the soil. So to overcome the blockage of water in the soil, you can use a part of sand or perlite in it. Otherwise a ready-to-use soil mix is also added in the description box, you can check out that. Another important thing in jasmine plant winter care is the sunlight requirement. Jasmine plant is a summer season plant, and loves a frequent amount of sun on daily basis. But in the winter season, the sun hardly comes out, therefore, you should at least put it in a bright spot away from an open area, just to protect it from the frost. If the sun rises, a full day of sunlight works very well to keep it out of winter's shock and stress. Jasmine plant is a heavy feeder that requires a regular fertilization for its blooming health. But in the winter season, jasmine plant does not produce much flowers, therefore regular fertilization is not required. Just to keep the jasmine plant out of nutritional deficiency, you can add a fertilizer every month. A handful of cow dung compost works really well. Don't fertilize your jasmine plant if the soil mix is moist, you should wait until it dry outs a little. A complete guide on cow dung is also added in the description box, you can check out that too. In jasmine plant winter care, pruning is also important to be discussed. In general, pruning is very beneficial for jasmine plant, you should definitely give it a trimming every month. But in the winter days, as the jasmine plant is growing slow, therefore we don't have to prune jasmine. You should wait until the winter season ends. After that, you can prune some of its dead and overly grown shoots. But in winters, avoid cutting and pruning of jasmine shoots. In winter season, jasmine plant grow very slowly, therefore you should not get panic, it is totally a normal thing. Yellowing leaves may appear, but it is just due to the temperature decrease, and will recover automatically after winters. Whiteflies can attack jasmine upper growing shoots in the late winter days, but it is not so much common. An organic pesticide is also added in the description box to use. So it's all about jasmine plant winter care. For any question leave a comment below. And for cow dung fertilizer details must check out this video here.